Look, ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, a self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School with a PSA, public service announcement. It's less than a month. The countdown has begun to early bird registration of one of the biggest, if I put my arms right out, Madeline, can you get it? One of the biggest ice cream events of the year, Conecon 2024. Early bird registration opens on the 1st of June. You're going to get $100 off the regular price ticket. You get $100 off your additional ticket. Let me tell you, if you're going to invest in anything this year, ice cream related, make sure you go to Conecon 2024. Put this on the calendar. Savannah, Georgia, the 13th, 14th, 15th of November, with a convention day of seminars and so forth. Like if you wanted to wrap it all up together, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th of November. Savannah, Georgia, one of the most beautiful cities in the US. East Coast, so if you're watching this from international, maybe thinking of a bit of a over to the US, come and visit us. It's going to be, as I said, biggest ice cream, frozen dessert convention. There's a trade show on one side, convention on the other, 140 booths, over 30 keynotes and breakouts, competitions, scholarships, ice cream tasting, soft serve Olympics. The list goes on and on. So, conecon.org is the place to go. Madeline will put a link down here. Conecon.org, 1st of June is when you want to get in. You'll be able to book your early bird tickets. You'll also be able to get your accommodation links. Get in early and get your accommodation. Anyway, we love Conecon. Scoop School always has a booth there. We might even see Gilbert coming again this year. Those in the know. Clink, clink. Anyway, conecon.org down below. Click on the link. Watch the countdown. Follow us on the socials. And hopefully we can get to see you this year, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th of November in Savannah, Georgia. Conecon.org. Straight down. Go.